Thank you for joining us on the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Fronti. We got great info for you today and your real estate market update. Just having some fun.
I was really afraid you were going to start singing. It was
No.
so close.
No singing, but we should because we got some good news for you. We've been kind of hinting. No, we're not hinting. We've been telling you.
Banging you over the head.
Right. To not wait to purchase your first home, your next home, your second home. Because we're telling you right here and now, because we've leveled out with prices, that they're going to go up. And here's some more proof. We've been showing it to you on a regular basis. This chart right here is one we showed you already in the past. That we basically have your appreciation went from 4.5% nationally to 5.3%.
This is the
up.
FHFA report.
That's right. So there's one of the reports. Here's another one. Housing starts up 7.2%. That means confidence in the builders, right?
This is the most important one because this means builders are building. Now, they haven't always been right, and they've overbuilt in the past, but this is the early stages of building. They're not building like they used to before. These are early stages, and they're being very cautious right now. So the fact that they're investing dollars, and most importantly, that they're receiving investment capital from investors, means that everyone is confident in housing going forward.
That's right. That supports those confidence numbers. We were telling you the highest numbers in 8 years. Here's more proof. The Case-Shiller Home Price Index. Go ahead, Gino.
This is my favorite.
I know you love it.
It's the best gauge that we have of the housing market. Unfortunately, it runs behind. So these are the November numbers, but up 4.3% year over year in the 20 city index. That's the index we usually look at. Those are the most important 20 cities in the nation. So 4.3% is a solid number. Let's not forget that the median price of a home in these areas is higher than the norm because they're the metropolitan areas. So you're looking at high-end real estate up 4.3% year over year. I expect the December number to be somewhere in line with that. Good appreciation overall.
And we even have higher appreciation nationally at 8.2%. Why, you may ask? Is this different than the other? Well, that's because it's national. There's a lot of areas that have gone up quite a bit because of the oil industry. The oil industry has accounted for a great percentage of the new jobs, and therefore those areas have gone up a lot more than the standard 8.2%, so that's brought it across the nation. Now, remember, this was 12.4%, but still a pretty strong number. So we're telling you now is the time to take action, because I promise you, when you come back to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Fronti for your daily dose of real estate market updates and to see what's brewing, we're going to be telling you house prices are up and you missed the boat. Don't miss the boat. See you later this week.